So class, our final answer is 5. Who do you not understand?
Sir, I don't understand.
Which part did you not understand? The answer or the question?
Oh, sir, my eye they paid me before. Now I see and where I understand, sir.
So class, apart from this boy that almost died, who else did not understand? This year, I no go gree for anybody. Anything I teach, you learn. We are having test tomorrow. Hello class, still a sheet of paper, we are having test.
Sir, which test again? We'll just resume school.
Are you talking to me like that?
Wait, to see problem. School just resume and you have not taught us anything and you want to give us tests. Sir, please, are you normal?
Sir, I hate OSJ. But on this one, I will have to agree with him.
So this is love.
You won't kill us?
Sir, do you want to kill us? We just resume for Christ's sake.
Oh, I see what is happening. You people want to see my recall, alright?
Sir, this year will not agree for anybody.
Can you please repeat what you just said?
Sir, I say we will not write tests till next month. Should I repeat myself again?
No problem, I understand. I'll see you guys next month. Good morning class, today we are going to learn.
Sir, what are you doing here?
Don't worry, chill guys, don't worry, we are not going to write tests. Don't worry, the test is till next month. I just want to teach you 1 or 2 things, you get me right?
But we said no test in next month.
Are you dumb? I said I accept. Don't worry. I'm not going to give you a test today, don't worry. I promise, I'm not going to give you a test.
I don't trust this man, but let's give him a try.
Okay sir, my love say you can teach.
Who is your love?
Wait, princess, now me want disgrace for class. My love, why are you doing like this? Princess, calm down, don't worry, we are going to talk about this as couples later.
You are very stupid. Who is doing couple with you?
Say this BFO, I mean they talk to like this.
You dey crazy. See this BG, I be your mate.
Waiting be BG.
Baby goat.
Princess, you are very stupid. Now your papa be baby goat.
Now your mama be BF.
Princess, I not be your mate. Me, I not supposed to even date the same class set. I swear, if not because they repeat me every year, I swear if I don't come out for this school.
See a sheet of paper, we are writing tests.
Sir, please, can you calm down first? Calm down.
If you move, see a sheet of paper, we are writing tests now.
Sir, chill. Put the gun down, let's talk like mature people.
You have 5 seconds to tear a sheet of paper, or else I will blow your head off.
Sir, drop your gun. We no go gree. This test will not happen.
Don't move! Hey! You're under arrest for using that word. We not agree.
What's going on here? Who are you?
They ask me questions. We no go agree. If anybody use the word, we no go agree.
Wait, I can explain.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. We know they go court again. You are sentenced to 1 month in prison.
OSJ, I will be back for you.
You are stupid. Move!
Bro, thanks. I really appreciate it.
OSJ, no problem. I got you, bro.
Wait, who wrote this script?
Everybody, raise up your hand. We are going to write tests today.
Sir, bring the gun down. We already know we are writing tests today.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. We no win Grammy. We no win AFCOM. Even King's Play no win 10K dollars. So we don't agree for everybody now.
Well, that's so sad. In that case, we are not going to write tests again. So, class, today we are going to learn proverb in English language. Who can tell me a good proverb? I will go first. A fly cannot fly without flying like a fly.
Jesus Christ.
You say what?
I said a fly cannot.
No, sir. I heard what you said, but what did you say?
Look, OSJ, I can't take this nonsense from you. I've been teaching for like 7 years now, and I know what I'm saying. Don't correct me.
And sir, I've been a student for 12 years, and I still don't understand you.
Do you want to fail this course, yes or no?
My bad. Carry on, sir.
So, class, who knows the proverb?
Me, sir.
Okay, Prince.
Actions speak louder than words.
That's very good, son.
Monkey that eats grass instead of a banana is a goat.
Not bad. A child of a rat is a rat.
What kind of proverb is this? Get out of my class. Idiot. Osj.
Sir,
Yes, OSJ.
stupidity is a choice, but some people choose to abuse it.
Can you please hold on 1 second? Let me load my sniper.
Enemy spotted.
When I'm done with you, nobody's going to pick your dog tag. Hello, class. Today we are going to learn mathematics. So, who can solve this? Are you mad?
I'm sorry, sir.
Why are you making noise in my class? Oh, you want to teach us, right?
No, sir, I was just telling
Oh yeah, come and solve this math.
Sir, I was just...
You are very stupid. Solve this math.
Okay, sir. So class, if x squared plus xy is equals to 28 and y squared plus xy is equals to 21, so x squared plus x bracket open 7 minus x bracket close equals to 28. X squared plus 7x minus x squared. So our final answer is xy is equals to 12.
Wait, how did you?
Wow, good. That's nice. So it's your student that is teaching you now.
Ma, good afternoon, ma. We were just...
Student, you are hired.
Wait, what? Ma, I don't understand.
It's obvious he's better than you.
Ma, I don't understand.
By the way, you are fired.
Wait, what's going on here?
Sir, please get out of my class. You are distracting us.
Don't run!
Sir, let me cook.
Hello class, today we are going to learn mathematics. Who is that fool that is sleeping in my class?
Sir, me?
If you sleep again, I will... Nonsense.
Okay, sir.
So class, your math teacher cannot make it today. He said his stepmother is confessing. So class, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction of numbers. See this fool again. Sleeping Beauty.
Sir, so I no sleep.
If I give you 3 hens with another 3 hens, how many hens will you have?
Sir, it's 7.
I said if I give you 3 hens and another 3 hens, how many hens will you have?
That would be 7, sir.
Okay. If I give you 3 bananas plus another 3 bananas, how many bananas will you have?
That would be 6 bananas, sir.
Let him cook.
Okay, now if I give you 3 hens plus another 3 hens, how many hens will you have?
7, sir.
See, okay, why is it 7?
If you give me 3 hens and another 3 hens, I will add it to the one we have at home, which is 7.
Jesus Christ.
It's your children that will stress you till you die.
Holy Ghost fire, sir.
Stop, don't eat that food, you lose points.
Yeah, the food is sour.
Warm it up and give it to Bruno.
What you do now? So now me go to chop food where don't spoil.
Yo, what the fuck? Hello class, today we are going to learn.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you coming to my class late?
Sir, we fried the cock that used to wake up us in it. Oh, sorry, my bad. Sir, please, can I use pidgin English?
No, you must use English.
Okay, sir. Sir, we fried the cock that used to... No. We fried the hen that used to wake us up in the morning. Yes, sir. We fry it for Easter.
Okay, give me your hand.
Sir, I don't already explain. You want to flog me?
I say give me a hand. Oh, you want to beat me, right? You want to beat me?
No, sir, it's not like that.
Then it is like what? Or you turn your nyash.
Sir, please have mercy.
I say turn your nyash.
Sir, please don't flog my back.
Nya. You are very weak.
You think I am weak?
Avataroku, I'm sorry.
Let him cook.
5 minutes later.
OSJ, I'll be back for you. You thank God say I know see Kyoshi for spirit world. If not, if I don't die.
Class, you have 5 minutes left to submit.
Jesus Christ.
Sir, this is not the area of concentration you gave us to study.
What's that supposed to mean? Did I taught you? I did not taught you.
Sir, we know you taught us. We know they argue with that one. But wait till you say more read. No being you give us so.
Yes, sir. You told us to study page 5 and 6, but this is page 73.
You are very stupid. I taught you what I taught you. Now write what I taught you.
Sir, what have we done to deserve this?
Guy, Alpha, wait till be number 5.
Sir, I am done. I want to submit.
Wow, excellent. You see, this is the most brilliant boy in this class. It's about to submit now.
Why did you do this to me? Huh? I didn't ask you what to make you do me this kind of thing. I just say you know my guy. I just say you know my personal. I carry your matter from my head like saying my market. Yet you betrayed me. No brother in the jungle. But I made you my brother right in this jungle. I fought for you. I stood by you when no one was there for you. Yet you have the guts to spite on me.
Share a prison.
Sir, please, can I go to the toilet?
OSJ, what do you want to go and do? Finish your exam first.
Sir, what's that supposed to mean? There's no freedom to shit again. Sir, with due respect, within 10 seconds, I'm going to shit inside his class.
Sir, please let him go. We don't want to die.
Okay, you can go, but you have 1 minute to shout. After you shout, come back here.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Good evening, sir.
My leg.